In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for a personal account on Binance, whether you're using the website or the mobile app. To get started with the website, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the official Binance website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Register. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Register, you'll be prompted to choose a method for registration. Binance provides several options. You can use your email address, your phone number, or, if you prefer, you can sign up using your Apple or Google account. Take a moment to consider which option suits you best and select accordingly. Before moving forward, it's important to read through the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy carefully. Once you've done that and agree to both, you can proceed by entering either your email or phone number. After entering your information, simply click Next. Shortly after, Binance will send a 6-digit verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Make sure to check your email inbox or messages promptly, as the code typically remains valid for around 30 minutes. Once you've retrieved the code, enter it into the designated field. Next, it's time to create a secure password. Binance usually requires that your password is at least 8 characters long, includes at least one uppercase letter and one number. Taking the time to create a strong and secure password is essential in protecting your account. There's also an option to enter a referral code if you have one. It's important to note that once this code is linked to your account, you usually won't be able to change it, so make sure to use it if you have one. Once these steps are completed, congratulations, your account is created. However, there is an important next step for those who want to use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions fully. This involves verifying your identity through the Know Your Customer, or KYC, process. Typically, this will require uploading identification documents, a selfie or photograph, and possibly some information about your address. It's a crucial step as it helps ensure the security and integrity of your transactions on the platform. Finally, for an added layer of security, enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, is highly recommended. You can do this via SMS or an authenticator app for an extra peace of mind. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now set up with a personal account on Binance. Whether you're a first-time user or a returning one, it's vital to keep your account secure and your information up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you start your journey with Binance.